Hello and good morning. Maria Panicelli here. I am a partner in the government contracts group at McCarter and English, and I have been a practicing government contract attorney for over 15 years at this point. I have spoken at a number of SAME events before, including post-by-post webinars, the SBC, JETC, Tri-Services, and the Indo-Pacific Regional Conference last year. Looking forward to another great event in the fall, and here to talk about my proposed topic, shifting sands and shockwaves, GovCon's legal landscape in 2026 and beyond. Obviously, a big part of the changes going on right now, of which there are many, is the revolutionary FAR overhaul. So I would intend to cover that in my presentation, but not only that, because there are a lot of other changes that I think contractors are perhaps not as aware of. So the idea would be to start with the revolutionary FAR overhaul, talk about the background, talk about the phased approach, model deviation text, agency by agency, part by part deviations, and then presumably by the time we get to November, the proposed rulemaking and kind of where we're at in that process, talking to contractors about how they can tell which provisions do and don't apply to them yet. In addition to the revolutionary FAR overhaul, I intend on covering bid protest reform, specifically the NDAA protest reforms, which are meant to disincentivize incumbent protests, and the enhanced pleading standards at the GAO. Want to talk about some of the most impactful executive orders that are out there. Right now, that includes the shift to the firm fixed price preference as well as DEI. By November, my guess would be we might have some other ones that are out there poking around, and obviously the presentation can be updated to include those as well. Also, just want to talk about general small businesses developments, the 8A program, the window program, are they or are they not under attack, where we stand with that, and any other case law that comes up between now and November, as well as some stuff that's already happened that might impact contractors. So thank you for your consideration. Look forward to seeing you in November.